Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix invalid plugin detected Adobe. To start, right-click on the Adobe shortcut and click on Open File Location. When you do this, select the folder, Plugins, and click on Delete. It will be necessary to click on Continue to grant the deletion permission. Close this window and then double-click on the shortcut to be able to access Adobe without any error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.